Okay, so after creating foot controller, now next we need to snap this pivot point to the ankle. Okay, so for the pivot point snapping, first select this controller directly to the viewport. Do not select this group over here. Okay, so select this controller first. Okay, let me gonna hide geo H. Okay, and press DV. Okay, and we need to snap this pivot point to the ankle. Okay, so after creating foot controller, fine. Now, so this is your foot controller, and for the foot controller even I need to create custom attributes over here, because sometimes we need to control heel, foot, toe separately while using custom controller. Okay, so before creating custom controller over here, first of all I'm going to create reverse joint. Okay, so guys, there are many techniques to create reverse joint, but I'm going to use simple one. Okay, थोड़ा एडवांस में भी है, बट पहले सिंपल वाला कर लो, उसके बाद फिर एडवांस वाला. नाउ okay, to create a custom joint, first of all go to orthographics view. You can use select any left and right views. Right. Okay, so now I'm going to create reverse joint while using this joint tool over here. Select joint tool first and create heel joint, and press shift and create toe joint. Okay, again press shift and create foot joint. Last one ankle without pressing shift. Okay, फिर से बता देता हूँ. To create a reverse joint, first of all select joint tool over here under rigging. Okay, so make sure first we need to create heel joint. It will start from here, so if you have any questions. Okay, so first create heel joint, press shift and create toe joint. Okay, then create foot joint, and last one ankle without pressing shift. Now shows you. Okay, so see, this is your reverse foot control joint, reverse joint. Okay, reverse foot control reverse joint. Now, so after creating joint, even we need to snap this heel joint to the exact position of the ankle. Okay, now I'm gonna select this heel and place it over. Go to top view. Okay, fine. Now we need to snap foot joint to the bind foot joint, toe joint to the bind toe joint. First of all, I'm going to rename this joint. This is called reverse heel joint. So right reverse, sorry, right reverse, right trap heel joint. This is not a bind joint. Okay, so next one is right reverse toe joint. Copy paste. Right reverse toe joint. Next one is right reverse foot joint. This is called foot. And last one is right reverse ankle joint. Okay, so guys, right now I have reverse heel joint, reverse toe joint, reverse foot and reverse ankle. Done. So now I have foot controller over here and I have reverse joint over here. The next thing is that I need to create IK handle from ankle to foot and foot to toe, okay, to the bind joint. So I'm gonna hide first reverse joint over here, hide it. Okay, now the next thing is that I'm going to add IK handle to the bind joint first. Okay, even you can increase IK handle size while using display, animation, IK handle size. Okay, you can increase and decrease IK handle size over here. Okay, now so guys, from ankle to foot I need a single chain solver. Okay, from ankle to foot single chain solver, again foot to toe I need a single chain solver. Okay, so basically I have RP solver in between hip to ankle, RP solver, and from ankle to foot I have single chain solver, and foot to toe I have single chain solver. Now go to skeleton. Under skeleton I have create IK handle over here. Okay, so right now I'm going to use current solver single chain solver. Okay, so it will start from ankle to foot, and again let me gonna select IK handle over here, single chain from foot to toe. Okay, let me gonna decrease size, display, animation, IK handle size. Okay, so why I need single chain solver from ankle to foot and foot to toe? Basically I will connect this IK handle with the reverse joint. Okay, so that it can move and rotate with the help of reverse joint. Okay, now so after creating IK handle in between ankle to foot and foot to toe, the next one is we need to create even custom controller to the foot controller. Okay, to create a custom controller over here, first of all go to edit and make sure delete by type history, because we don't want any input node over here. Okay, so first delete input node to the foot controller. Next we need to create custom controller over here. Now so select first foot controller, go to edit, and under edit I have add attributes option, so select this option. Now here you can create your custom controller, okay, while using data type float and while using data type vector value. Okay, but by default we have data type float because we are going to use decimal value as well. Okay, now so long name you can use left foot. Okay, make sure data type float, minimum number -20, maximum number 20, positive 20, and default value 0. Okay, so minimum and maximum value means it can reach up to -20 and 20 as well. Okay, now